Today we're going to be looking at how to recognise place value in a two-digit number. We know that a two-digit number has tens and ones. So if we look at the number 15, 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. Let's look at the number 23. 23 has 2 10s and 3 ones. Now let's look at the third number, 34. 34 has 3 10s and 4 ones. $47. How many 10s and ones does 47 have? That's right, it has 4 10s and 7 ones. Here I have 5 numbers. The first number, 16. How much is the 1 worth in this number? The 1 in this number, 16, is worth 1 10. And 1 10 is 10. How much is the number 3 worth in 35? The 3 tells us there's 3 10s in this number. 3 10s is 30. You can always check, use your fingers. 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. Here we've got the number 48. What's the 4 worth? We know that the 4 in this number means 48 has 4 10s. That's right, that makes 40. 59. How many 10s do we have? We have 5 10s. So the 5 in this number, 59, is worth 50. Have a go at the last one. What's the number 6 worth in 61? 6 means there are 6 10s. We know that 6 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the 6 in 61 is worth 60. The 5 in 59 is worth 50. The 4 in 48 is worth 40. The 3 in 35 is worth 30, and the 1 in 16 is worth 10. Let's take a look at these numbers. We know that these are the 10 numbers, these are the ones. So let's look at 25. What's the number 5 worth in 25? The 5 means we have 5 ones. The 5 ones make 5. 32. What's the 2 worth? I know that 2 tells me that there are 2 ones. 2 ones make 2. 47. The 7, what is that? How much is that worth? The 7 tells me there are 7 ones. 7 ones make 7. Have a go at 63. What does the number 3 tell us? How much is the 3 worth in 63? That's right. It tells us there are 3 ones. 3 ones make 3. And the last one, 74. The 4 tells us there are 4 ones, so the 4 in 74 is worth 4. Let's have a look at these numbers. What do you notice about each of these numbers? That's right, they all end in 0, which means that they are all 10 numbers. We're going to look at these numbers and try and put them in order. How many 10s does each number have? That has 3 10s, that has 2 10s, that has 5, that has 1. Thirty has 3 10s, 20 has 2 10s, 50 has 5 10s, and 10 has 1 10. Which one has the smallest amount of 10s? That's right, 10, because it only has 1 10. So 10 will go first. What number will come after that? We've got 3 10s in 30, 2 10s in 20, 5 10s in 50. That's right, it'll be 20, because 20 is the next one up. It only has 2 10s. Now we have to look at 30 and 50. Which one's the next number bigger than 2 10s? Is it 3 10s or 5 10s? That's right, it's 3 10s, which is 30. And the biggest number that's left is 5 10s in 50. So 50 will come at the end. So we'll arrange these numbers from smallest to the biggest. Have a look at these numbers: 60, 30, 20, 40. Can you arrange these numbers from the smallest all the way to the biggest? Have a look in the tens column. How many 10s does each number have? Right, we have 60, which has 6 10s. 30, which has 3 10s. 20, which has 2 10s. And 40, which has 4 10s. Which is the smallest number? Which one has the least amount of 10s in its number? That's right, it's 20. And cross this off so I don't get confused. Which is the next number that will come after 20, the next bigger number? That's right, it's 30. So after 2 10s, we've got 3 10s. 30. There are 3 10s and 30. Cross that one off. Right, now have a go at filling in the last two. Where does 60 and 40 go? Which one's going to be next? Is it going to be 60 or is it going to be 40? That's right, it'll be 40 next. There's 4 10s. And the last one will be 6 10s. That's bigger than 4 10s. And with 60 go at the end. So go from smallest, 20, 30, 40 and 60 is the biggest number. Let's look at the number 34. What is 34 the same as? 34 is the same as 3 10s and 4 ones. We know that 3 tens make 30 and 4 tens makes 4. So 34 is the same as 30, add 4. What's 25 the same as? 25 we can partition into 2 tens. There's 2 tens and it has 5 ones. 2 tens we know the same as 20 and 5 ones the same as 5. Have we got this last one? 47. What is 47 the same as? Can we partition it into tens and ones? How many tens does it have? How many ones does it have? It has 4 tens. And it has 7 ones. 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. 7 ones make 7. So 47 is the same as 40 at 7. 25 is the same as 20 at 5. And 34 is the same as 30 at 4. Now you know how to recognise place value in a two-digit number. You know how to work out what number the tens is worth and the ones are worth. I want you to have a go at the lesson that's been assigned to you on Doodle Maths. And it's called Recognise Place Value in a Two-Digit Number, Tens and Ones.